Om Sri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Hi my dear friends and my dear students. Today is my 100th video. So today's topic is division by 90s using Vedic method. The sutra I am going to use here is Nikhilam Sutra. Means the divisor, if you observe, consider this example, the divisor, if you observe, it is 92, which is near to 100. The difference between the divisor and 100, I call it as Nikhilam. So Nikhilam is 8 over here, means the difference between the divisor and 100 is 8. So Nikhilam of 92, I will call it as 8. Suppose if I take the divisor as 96, its Nikhilam of 96 is 4. If I take the divisor as 98, then the Nikhilam of 98 is 2. If I take the divisor is 91, then Nikhilam of 91 is 9. Okay. So now I think you understood what I am going to do. I am going to do the division of this number by 92. But I am not going to divide that number with 92. I am going to divide that number with its Nikhilam. That's why this method is Vedic method. This Vedic method is so easy than when compared to the traditional method. Okay. So let us see this. Let me explain the method with the help of an example. 43792 divided by 92. So first we need to write the numbers like this. 4, 3, 7. Since divisor is a 2-digit number, so for last 2 digits, I have to keep a bar over here and I have to write the last 2 digits like this. And I will treat this one as a remainder portion. Last 2 digits portion I will treat it as a remainder portion. And first 3 digits like this. Now, as I said before, I am going to divide this number with the Nikhilam of 92, not with the 92. I am going to divide with its Nikhilam. So, Nikhilam of 92 is 8, as I said before. So, here I will write 8. Instead of 8, I will write it as 08 because 92 is a 2-digit number. So, I will write the Nikhilam as 08. Now, first I will keep 0 over here, 0. Add these two numbers, so you get 4. Now, multiply this 4 with Nikhilam. 4 into 8, 32. 3, 2. We need to write like this. 4 into 8 is 32. So, the 32 what we have to do? We have to write the 32 below of the next two numbers. 3 here, 2 here. Now, add these two numbers, we will get 6. Now, multiply the 6 with Nikhilam. 6 8 are 48. So, 4 over here, 8 over here. Add all these numbers. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Now, multiply 13 with 8. It is 104. So, that 104, 104. You have to write like that. Don't write 104. Take last two numbers together, 10, 104, 104. Right. Now, add all these numbers. 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 10, 27. And 2 plus 4, 6. Now, consider this number as 276, which is more than 92. If you observe, this 276, when we divide with the 92, we can easily observe its quotient is 3. When we divide 276 with the 92, we will get quotient as 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So 276 goes 3 times in 92. So that 276 when we divide with 92, we will get it quotient as 3 and remainder is 0. Na? So this 3 we have to add over here. Now add these two numbers. We will get 16 underline 6, carry 1 to here, and add the 1 to this 6, we'll get 7 over here, underline 7 and underline this 4 also. So, in total, the quotient is 4, 7, 6 and the remainder is 0. So, when we divide 43792 with 92, the quotient is 476 and the remainder is 0. Once again, 43792, I want to divide it with 92. So, nickelum of 92 is 8. Now, this 43792 is a 5-digit number. Last 2 digits we have to write over here in the remainder portion. And the first 3 digits here, like this. So, as we are dividing this number with 8, first we need to put 0 over here. Then add these two numbers. We get 4. 4 8 are 32, we have to write like here. 4 8 are 32. 3, 2. Add these two, 3 plus 3, 6. Again multiply the 6 with nickelum. 6 8 are 48. 4 8. Add these two. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Again multiply 13 with 8, which is 104. So 104, be careful, you have to write like this. It is a 3-digit number. So 104 you have to write it 10 over here and 4 over here. Now multiply, add all these. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 10, 27. 2 plus 4, 6. So together we call it as 276. Now we can observe the 276 when we divide it with the 92. Quotient is 3 and the remainder is 0. You can observe it clearly. So add this quotient over here in the main one. So 13 plus 3, 16. Carry 1 and 1, add 1 over here. 6 plus 1, 7. 4. So 476 is the quotient, remainder 0. So consider one more example. Consider one more example. Seven double 632 divided by 93. So same as nickelum of 93 is 7. I'll write it as 07. 7 6 6 bar 3 2. As I said before, last 2 digits we have to take it as remainder portion. Right. Put 0 over here. Add those to 7. 7 7s are 49. It will become 10 over here. 10 7s are 70. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 7s are 154. 154, you have to write like that. So 3 15s are 3 plus 5, 15, 18. 2 plus 4, 6. Together we have to take it as 186. If we observe this 186 when it is divided by 93, we will get quotient 2 and remainder 0. You can observe it clearly. So that 2 we have to add over here. It becomes 24. Underline 4, carry 2. It becomes 12. Underline 2, carry 1. We will get 8 over here. So the total quotient is 8, 2, 4. And the remainder is 0. That means when we divide 76632 with 93, quotient is 824 and remainder is 0. So, my dear friends and my dear students, like this, you can take any divisor between 90 and 100 and you can divide any 5-digit number or 6-digit number like this in an easy manner and you can get the quotient in an easy manner using Vedic Sutra Nichelum. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video. Dhanyavad.